attack which happens at the coast, since the Panjim city and most of the part of the Goa are it's a coastal area, so there is a more chances of any attacks. So since it's a civil defense, this mock is to make the people aware, the civilian people aware about what to do when the such incident happens. So in scenario at Panjim ferry wharf, it is all about the Mandavi bridge collapsing. So there is a drone attack or a bomb attack on the Mandavi bridge, and it is partially collapsed. Mm-hmm. So some people are drowning, and some people are vehicles are in the waters. So we have, with the help of fire and safety department, captain of ports, police, and river navigation, we are conducting a mock exercise. So in this we are showing 2-3 people drowning in the water, and they will be searched and rescued, and one will be the mass evacuation at this Panjim ferry wharf.
So is the first time has conducted on this type of event?
We have conducted many mock exercises on cyclones and other disasters, but I think this is the first time we are doing it on the induced disaster that can be due to the attack by the enemy nations or anybody like that.
So this order has sent by MHA?
This had come yesterday, and we are directed to conduct this exercise today. And this is to train the civil defense staff and also all the civilians what is to be done when such kind of incident takes place.
So total how many participants is there?
It's more than 150 participants.
School, college?
School, college. We have involved NSS, NCC, civil defense staff, home guards, and other volunteers.
Is there any advice?
I am Vinayak Chari, Deputy Collector Revenue.
So any advisory in terms of if this is the coastal area or any major risk factor are taken care?
Major risk factor as in there has to be a blackout when such mostly attacks happens at night. So in case of any siren and warning, the first advisory is for the people to turn off their lights and go to the best hideout that they can find, and not to make any movement so that the enemy won't be able to detect such.
Thank you.
You are watching